In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix OBS Studio crashing on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If OBS keeps closing unexpectedly, freezing on startup, or crashing while streaming or recording, this step-by-step guide will help you fix it quickly. These are proven solutions that work for most users, and we'll go from the easiest fix to the more advanced ones. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more OBS and Windows tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you want to try is running OBS as an administrator. This might sound simple, but it fixes a lot of crashes caused by permission issues, especially on Windows 11. Go to your desktop or Start menu, right-click on the OBS Studio shortcut, and click on Properties. Now open the Compatibility tab. Here, look for the option that says Run this program as an administrator. Check that box, then click Apply and OK. Now launch OBS again and see if the crashing issue is resolved. If OBS is still crashing, let's move on to the next step. The second fix is updating your graphics drivers. OBS relies heavily on your GPU, and outdated or corrupted drivers are one of the most common reasons for crashes. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, open GeForce Experience and check for driver updates. For AMD users, open AMD Adrenalin and install the latest recommended driver. If you're on Intel graphics, you can use the Intel Driver and Support Assistant. You can also update drivers manually through Device Manager, but using the official apps is usually safer. Once your drivers are fully updated, restart your computer and try opening OBS again. If the issue still happens, don't worry, we have more fixes to try. The third step is disabling third-party OBS plugins. Plugins are useful, but outdated or incompatible plugins can cause OBS to crash on startup or during use. To check this, open File Explorer and paste this path into the address bar: %appdata%/OBS-studio/plugins. Once you're in the plugins folder, you'll see folders for any plugins you've installed. Create a new folder on your desktop and temporarily move all plugin folders into it. Now launch OBS without any plugins loaded. If OBS opens and runs without crashing, then you know one of the plugins was the problem. You can add them back one by one to find the exact plugin causing the crash. If OBS is still crashing even without plugins, let's move on. The fourth fix is checking the OBS crash logs. OBS provides detailed crash reports that can help identify exactly what's going wrong. Open OBS, click on Help at the top, then go to Crash Reports and select View Crash Reports. Open the most recent crash report and look for a section called Fault Module. This usually tells you the file or component that caused OBS to crash. For example, it might point to a specific driver, plugin, or system file. This information is extremely helpful if you need to update, remove, or reinstall something specific. Even if you're not very technical, spotting the fault module can give you a clear direction on what needs fixing. Now let's move on to the final and most powerful solution. The fifth and last step is resetting OBS settings completely. This is useful if OBS is crashing due to corrupted settings or configuration files. Close OBS completely first, then open File Explorer and paste this path: %appdata%/OBS-studio. Now rename the OBS-studio folder to OBS-studio-backup. Once you do this, launch OBS again. OBS will start fresh with factory default settings, just like a clean install. Don't worry, your old settings are still saved in the backup folder if you need them later. In most cases, this step completely fixes persistent crashing issues. And that's it. Those are the best ways to fix OBS Studio crashing on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If this video helped you fix your OBS issues, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.